8 websites to make money online as a beginner. Welcome. If this is your first time here, I'm going to be talking about 8 websites, how you can make money online as a beginner. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know where you're watching this video from. I always want to see how far my videos are going. So make sure you watch this all the way to the end, because I'm sure one of these websites you can start right away. If you're brand new, never made money online, I hope one of these websites you apply and you get approved and you could start making money right away. For my regulars, happy to have you here. So I'm going to dive into things right away, and I don't want to take up too much of your time. So stay tuned. So as I said earlier, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. This right here is my YouTube channel. So if you see, there's a lot of videos. I create at least a video a day. So that way I can engage and I can bring out the newest, hottest thing that come on my desk. And I create a video and you're going to be the first one to know. So make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And we're going to dive into things. So here are the 8 websites to make money online as a beginner. So the first website that I'm going to be talking about is called Shutterstock.com. So Shutterstock, it is an image photography. If you like to take pictures, if that's your hobby, why not get paid for it? So this specific website will pay you to take pictures, if you know how to create videos, illustration, put music together, a compilation of everything. So once you have pictures and you want to upload them, you could just come through here. They have multiple different pictures. There's companies out there that are looking for, because look at this. This is a Range Rover right here. If Range Rover spot this particular picture, who knows, they'll buy it. They'll buy it, they'll use it for an ad. So companies come on here, they use pictures for their ads, for their events and all that type of stuff. So they use it for all type of stuff. So celebrities, editorial, educational, food and drinks. These are stock images category. Holidays, you know, holidays are huge. So once the holidays are coming up, people will just go on here and just buy a photo. Not just people, but as I said, companies. There's religion, there's science. So instead of people going out there and hire a photographer, you know, professional photographer, they will just come on here and they will just buy a ton of photos and use it for their business. Instead of them going out there and hiring someone, they'll just come on here, believe it or not. So once you upload your pictures on here, you're gonna get paid right away. So you get royalty-free stock images, photos, and videos. Of course, when you take these pictures, you got to say, well, I don't own the rights to these. If for some reason, because they're gonna use it. They're gonna use it in huge businesses. So you want to make sure that you give up the right. So if you want to sign up, you can click on where it says sign up. Once you do that, sign up with your email, address, all that type of stuff. Save your favorites. You can share a collection with anyone, anywhere, all that type of stuff. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom as well, you could sell your content. Nothing is wrong with that. That's the main reason. So if that's your passion and you want to put your passion and start making money for it, go for it. People are using iPhones and Androids these days and taking some great photos. So if that's something that you want to do, hop on it, create, submit, get paid, and then you refer. Just go into details and just check out the website, all right? So the next website that I'm going to be talking about, coming in at number 2, is Teespring. And Teespring is really cool. Here's the thing with Teespring. You don't have to deal with any inventory or all that type of stuff. All you have to do is create something and you could sell online. So if you're a t-shirt fanatic, you know how those funny t-shirts people make, I'm going on a cruise, I'm going on vacation, everybody who see the thing 1, thing 2, that right there was huge because people like to be creative. So look at this. Ranch, cool ranch, feminist, I will cute you. So people are making these shirts, they're designing them, they're putting them up on Teespring. So the good thing is once you put it on Teespring, you can get a cut. So you can start designing by clicking on the start designing section, sell anything, sell anywhere. How it works, let's click on how it works and take a look. So how easy it is. Teespring offers a no-risk turnkey solution. So you can go into details. It's form of like e-commerce, kind of like drop shipping. So you create the product. Here's how it works. You create the product, you boost the sale, the order is fulfilled. So that means when the customer come on here, they got customer service, they deal with everything, and then you collect the profits. So everything is handled by Teesprings. I'm sure there's a little bit of rules and regulation, but once you get over that, you're going to be up and running in no time, and you can start to design t-shirts and make money, believe it or not. So teespring.com, that's a great website. Coming in at number 3 of the 8 websites that you can make money online as a beginner, you can go to GoTranscript.com. So GoTranscript, right here, if you thinking about a transcriptionist, this is the place that you need to go, because they got featured in Entrepreneur, Forbes, Huffington Post, and you upload files, pay online, get transcript via email. So this is if people want to come on here and they want to get transcribed. So if you want to be a transcriptionist for this specific GoTranscript.com, you could scroll all the way down here. I always tell you, just go through, read about the websites, see how everything works, and then you can apply right away. So if you personally like to transcribe, you like to type, all that stuff, you're going to be up and running in no time. So they have the services that they have audio transcription, they have video transcription, and they have translation. So that means if you have a second or a third language, you can be a part of this and you can start to make money using this stuff. They also do like subtitling and they do caption. So that is cool. So if you want to go like audio transcription, it's all done by humans. So they're hiring people. They're looking for people to fulfill their orders, fulfill their services, because they have so much different work. And they're in business for quite some time. So they're very multilingual, and people all over the world, this is a great place that you can go. So if you're worldwide, check it out and see if it actually works for you. Just check out GoTranscript.com, sign up, and you start getting paid as a beginner. Coming in hot at number 4, and this website is called SiteLgroup.com. SiteL is a customer service company, and they are looking for people just like you. So if you like to be on the phone, you want to be a customer service rep, this is the place that you need to come. So you come on here, you can scroll through, and they work for a huge company. So they're working for people in like, technology, consulting, all the type of different field. And the world best brand demand on like PayPal. You're looking for customer service to get on the phone and speak with their representative. So sign up for it. Click on your country. Once you go on here, you can apply work from home. Work from home, you type in your message, you put your email, put your right address in. So this right here is also worldwide as well. So I'm always looking out for people worldwide because I'm trying to touch as many. So that's 2 so far. So that was number 4. So that was SiteL.com. So SiteL.com, customer service job. Go check it out. And make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I have some more for you. All right, I have some more. Coming in at number 5 is Upwork. Upwork is consistently making beginners money over and over again. If you like freelancing and you don't want to be tied down, you want to set your own hours, you want to be your own boss, all these websites that I give to you, but this one is also flexible. And here is why. If you already have a job and you're slowly transitioning into start doing freelancing, this is the place you need to come. Upwork.com, because on Upwork.com, they have web designers, they have writers, they have admin support, customer service, marketing, accounting. Anything that you want, you can find on here. And you can set your schedule. So that means if you work 8 hours per day and you have 5 hours later on in the evening, as long as you get the job done, it's not a problem. You can set your own hours, start building up your rapport on here, and you could start to make money using Upwork. So it's a great website. Just come through here. Whatever skill you think you have, you can come on here and you could sign up right away. And coming in at number 6, this website is called Malaysia At Home. So Malaysia At Home, they're like website testers. You're getting paid anywhere from like $20 per site and up, right? Up to $20 per site just to do website testing. They're hiring. All you have to do is click on where it says hire now. And if you come through here, these companies will pay you anywhere from $5 to $10 to complete a test. So you can get up to $20, but you can make $5 to $10 just by doing complete tests. And it's these things, they don't require any technical skills. You don't need to be like super duper advanced. So you get paid $5, $10, $20 per site with these companies. So Startup Lift, this company will pay you to provide feedback. So you got to give honest feedback. You can't just go on their website. If they give you a website to test and you be like, all right, well, this looks good. You got to check out, is it user friendly? Is it easily to navigate? Or these are the things, so right good and right bad as well. Enroll app, once you do that, testing time, the opinions, you get $50 per study. Wow. You required use like a Skype and spend. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's exciting. So I found this website. I'm sure this is a blog from Malaysia.com. I know Malaysia, she does some videos as well. So these are some website testing, right? So user field, you have user analytics, you have user testing, you have user tests, you have Analysia. Oh, wow. Never heard of that one before. So these are like website testing that you could come on. So check these out. You can get paid by going on these websites. So coming in hot at number 7. Number 7 is Kindle. AmazonKindle.com. And I keep telling people this is a great way how you can start making passive income. If you're brand new, you're a beginner, never made money online, and you have a writing skill. If you want to do that, feel free to start writing and put your information here on Kindle, AmazonKindle.com. So you could sign up for free, and I'm sure you can just upload your images and all. You can get approved right away, anywhere between 24 to 48 hours. So as they display right here, make more money, earn up to 70% royalty. So you're getting 70%. So if you put it up there, somebody buy it for $1, you're getting 70 cents. And I think Amazon is going to keep 30 cents because it's their platform. Let's be honest here. So if you're into this, you want to start making some passive income as a beginner, start right here. Of course, you're going to have to put the work in because passive income, money just does not fall from the sky, just so you know. So coming in hot at number 8. Number 8 is VIP Desk Connect and VIP Desk. The beauty about VIP Desk, this is another customer service representative website. So you can click on where it says careers. Once you click on careers, you will see the job openings that they have available. Click on apply now. Once you click apply now, you will see the current job. So they have different jobs. They have customer care representative, beauty and skin. So if you're in beauty and skin, that's great. Sales representative, 21 locations. And all you got to do is just come on here, opening jobs, click, see if they have anything. So I'm going to click on the remote jobs. So these are some locations. If you're in the US, these are some places that will have the jobs in their area, or these are the cities or state that they're looking for people. So come on here, apply for it. Once you click on here, you will see that the requirements must have an office environment, phone line, you got to have internet connection, you got to have a headset, you got to have a computer, able to work at a desk at scheduled shift. You got to have at least 3+ years in retail or customer care. So if you're in retail, you can apply for this. So this website does require you a little bit of, they're also going to do like criminal background check and all that kind of stuff. So this is a big deal. VIP desk ain't messing around. So once you do that, feel free, you get $16 per hour compensation. Wow, that is a sweet gig. And you work Monday to Sunday between hours of 12 p.m. and 9 p.m. 5 days per week, up to 5 days per week, or you work from 3 to 12 a.m. So that's not bad. 12 to 9, that's pretty cool. 12 to 9 every single day, 5 days per week, $16 an hour. Hey, if you're watching this video, jump on this right now. So if you're looking for my number one recommendation is what I do, affiliate marketing, check out the link in the description for more information, and you can get some free training, and you can see if it's something that you like. If you don't like it, it's cool. If not, hey, check out these 8 websites that I just shared with you of make money online as a beginner. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.